Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to paint flower petals and leaves using these Dagger brushes. These brushes are from the King Art brand. The larger one is 3/8 and the smaller one is 1/4. I'm going to start by drawing a circle and just so that I know where to position my flower. So now with my larger Dagger brush, which is 3/8 in size, I'm going to pick a pinkish color called magenta from the King Art brand, and I'm going to start painting this shape. Now with my smaller Dagger brush, I'm going to pick up a darker pink, which is called a berry here. And I'm going to start painting a similar shape inside the larger petals. Now I'm going to add some leaves in large and small sizes using the large and small Dagger brushes. You can also add a variation in the color of the leaves by coating your Dagger brush in different shades of green. You can get a nice thin line with the fine tip. Now I'm adding some veins with the curved edge of the brush. So I hope this video will inspire you to pick up your Dagger brush and paint some flowers with it. Let me know if you have any questions. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.